Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Recently, many BMW F10 owners have been asking me, I want to upgrade my navigation system. While the 10.25-inch screen is great, and the 14.9-inch screen is excellent too, is there an option that retains the original BMW F10 design while offering a large screen with flagship level specifications? Well, today I'd like to recommend one to you, the 12.8-inch Qualcomm Flagship Edition LCD screen, which is currently the best-selling model. Why do I recommend this unit? It's not because it has the largest screen. Rather, it strikes an excellent balance between performance, aesthetics, and stability. It retains the design language of the original BMW center console, so it doesn't look out of place. Yet, it offers all the features found in today's mainstream flagship Android navigation systems. Many BMW F10 owners ultimately choose this setup. But what I value most isn't the technical specifications, it's the experience of using it every day while driving. Startup speed, multitasking, navigation, music video, and CarPlay. Everything runs smoothly without any lag, even when used simultaneously. That is the greatest advantage of the Qualcomm platform: stability, fluidity, and durability. Then let's start installing it now. First, we remove the middle trim with a skid plate. In the order of left, right, and center. Remove the wiring harness from the start button, hazard light button, and air vent assembly. After, we remove the two screws at the bottom of the central control of the original car. Remove the central control of the original car. Press and hold the LVDS cable pallet to unplug it. Remove the two screws from the air conditioner panel of the original car. Remove the original car air conditioner panel. You can see the original car's CD head unit here. Remove the screws on both sides of the main engine of the original car. Unplug the original car host. Remove the original car power cord. Remember that it's the mainframe that really controls the car, our Android big screen. It just works with the system of the car. Therefore, all the functions of the original car are still retained. Unplug the green fiber optic cable on the original car power cord. Plug in our 12.8-inch screen navigation with power adapter cable. Connect with the original car power cord on the other end of the patch cord. Green fiber optic cable connected to the original car at the same location. Then plug our power adapter cable into the original car host. Fix the wires and put them back on the center console. Then put the original car main engine back in place. Remove our USB cable. Enter the center console from the storage box and set aside. Use a skid plate to pry off the trim on the outside of the passenger. Remove GPS antenna and 4G antenna. Push the interface into the center console from the outside of the co-pilot. Attach the other end to a column and install it. Next, install the air conditioner panel back. Take out the mounting bracket of the 12.8-inch Qualcomm large screen. Run the wire through the bracket window. Take out the 12.8-inch Qualcomm large screen. Connect the wiring harness to the large screen hose. Align the bayonet and connect the mounting bracket with the bayonet. Install the 12.8-inch Qualcomm large screen connected to the bracket into the center console and stabilize it. The two screws at the bottom of the mounting bracket. 3 harnesses connected back to the middle trim. Install the middle trim back. In this way, our 12.8-inch Qualcomm large screen is installed. Let's start the vehicle and see the final effect. Start normal lighting. The button interaction function of the air conditioner panel is normal. Video playback is normal. Audio playback is normal. Bluetooth connection function is normal. CarPlay functions normally. Navigation function is normal. The original car system functions normally. The original car radio is functioning normally. The 12.8-inch large screen is just right for the car. It won't be as exaggerated as the super large screen. But it is also far more delicate than the visual effect of the original car small screen. The whole central control looks more coordinated. BMW's upgrade is not to install. The bigger the screen, the better. It's about finding what works best for you. If your car is also a BMW F10, I don't know which navigation to choose for upgrade. Leave a message and tell me the model and year. I will follow your budget and needs. Recommend the most suitable upgrade plan for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.